Aaron One Croc here. Got the last of the Galarian bird tins finally. Uh, Purchased in person Moltres and Articuno previously. Uh, had some money with GameStop, so I went ahead and ordered one online. I live so far out of town that making a trip for one little tin for using points ain't a good idea for me, so here is the tin, and somehow I got the one I hadn't gotten before. So, crapshoot. Don't get to pick your 10 online, and somehow still end up with the one I needed. Can't get luckier than that, can it? Hopefully that's a sign for what's to come inside of the 10. If y'all watched my previous Crown Zenith videos, y'all know I am after Mewtwo, because it goes to the Charizard promo from the Charizard collector's box. Alright. 5 packs of Crown Zenith. Right back into the box with... They scratched up my tin a little bit, looks like. But that's alright. So, we got 5 packs of Crown Zenith. Let's get after it. V-Star card. Let's get that out of here. Rare Candy. Luxio. Trekking Shoes. Switch. Execute. Love Disc. Emoga. Yanma. Bidoof. Galarian Gallery. And a Gumshoes non-hollow. I did need that Bidoof for the Galarian Gallery, so a little better organized here. We got Electric Energy, Rescue Carrier, Bisharp, Graveler, Scyther, Pokeball, Yungoos, Cherubi, Execute, Crushing Hammer Reverse, and a Luxray non-hollow. Alright. Fighting Energy, Gloom, Crushing Hammer, Luxio, Seal, Rockruff, Aaron, Riolu, Starly, Luxio, Reverse, and a Kyogre V. I do believe I need that, so. Making progress on the binder. No big hits, but we're making progress on the binder. I've got some more Crown Zenith coming in next week from this same order. It shipped separately. It's just a 3-pack blister. It's what I could afford off of my points. I don't know why I did it that way. These don't reveal what you get. Fighting Energy, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Pincurchin, Love Disc, Chatot, Yanma, Ponyard, Bidoof, Aggron Reverse. Yes! Charizard V. I did not have that yet, y'all. There we go. Yes, I get excited over it. I get excited over non-hollow Charizards. So I'm going to get excited over a V Charizard, y'all. I do have Radiant Charizard already from this set. Again, I'm still chasing Mewtwo, for the very reason that it goes to a Charizard card. Dark Energy. Last pack, so let's go slow here. Luxio. Ultra Ball, Electric, Pokeball, Corphish, Oddish, Silk, Kricketot, Lunatone Reverse, and a Zamazenta V-Star. A lot of good cards. These 4 cards, I definitely feel like I needed each and every one of them. I know I needed Zamazenta. I know I needed Charizard, and I know I needed Bidoof. I just can't remember if I need Kyogre or not. So, like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.